We have handled with the commission somewhere.
No. During the period under review, under audit, the National Police Service Commission was denied access to National Police Service payroll, and hence payroll inspection and human resource audit could not be carried out to determine the implementation status of the Commission's policies and resolutions. The Commission has endeavored to improve the relationship with the National Police Service Command to foster and facilitate a better working relationship so that access to information required in the course of carrying out its mandate can be granted. You may